Need some quiet time without calls, notifications, or interruptions? In this guide, I'll show you two simple ways to enable Do Not Disturb on your Samsung Galaxy phone and customize it to fit your needs. Do Not Disturb (DND) is a useful Samsung feature that helps reduce distractions by silencing calls, messages, notifications, and alerts. Whether you're working, studying, sleeping, or attending a meeting, enabling DND can help you stay focused without constantly reaching for your phone. Method 1. Enable Do Not Disturb from Quick Settings. The fastest way to turn on Do Not Disturb is through the Quick Settings panel. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen using two fingers to open the expanded Quick Settings menu. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon. If you find it, simply tap the icon once to enable the feature. The icon will become highlighted indicating that Do Not Disturb is active. To disable it later, tap the same icon again. If the DND icon is not visible, tap the pencil or edit icon in the Quick Settings panel. From there, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle and drag it into your active shortcut section for easier access in the future. Method 2. Enable Do Not Disturb from Settings. You can also enable and manage DND through the Settings app. Open Settings on your Samsung Galaxy device, then scroll down and tap Notifications. Next, select Do Not Disturb. Tap the toggle switch next to Do Not Disturb to turn the feature on instantly. While you're here, you can customize additional options such as scheduling DND automatically, allowing calls from specific contacts, permitting alarms, and choosing which apps can still send notifications. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and Android tutorials.